So behind and above me, we've got an 812 Superfast Ferrari, obviously. I ain't gotta say that twice. Look at the horses, mate. You can see the horses running. You can hear the horses running. It's crazy. Now, if you come a little bit closer, Hamza, as you can see, you've got this valve mechanism, which is entirely disconnected, or the actuator is disconnected from the actual mechanism. So essentially, the customer wanted these removing entirely. Now, we're going to give them an option of either to remove them entirely, have it loud all the time, or potentially get them replaced with stainless steel units. Let's see how this project goes. It's a small project on a big car, but as I say, anything big, small, yellow, black, brown, pink, little, 1.2, V8, V12, whatever it is, repair, replacement, performance, that's what we do at Custom Exhaust.
Watch.
That's closed.
That's a click on the valve. That's it hitting back onto this.
Solid. As you can see, Dan is hard at it on that clamp there. You know what I mean? These clamps, you know. Ferrari with a stainless steel exhaust. I'll tell you what, we had one of these in yesterday. That's a Mark 7 Golf R, but we had a TCR in. They come with titanium exhausts. Do you know what I mean? And the car's about 25 grand. That over there, mate, 250 grand stainless steel exhaust, mate. I mean, we work with stainless steel, and so do Miltech, so do Cobra. But I'm not taking the mick out of stainless steel. I'm just saying, if you're going to pay a mortgage on, well, if you're going to pay a 3-bedroom house on a car, it'd be nice for it to come in titanium, do you know what I mean? So, have a look at the condition of the driver side valve mechanism. We know the passenger side valve mechanism is what's deteriorated. That's what the problem is. But we need to see what's going on the other side, because we do things properly. We need to make sure, for replacing one, does the other need replacing? How long's left in it? How much life you got? One of them ones, you know what I mean? Yeah. See how it goes. I'm not going to have a look at the well because it's like literally it's going to blind you, mate. You get arc eye and all sorts, man. But anyway, generally what Dan's doing now is, again, Ferrari have opted in to delete the valves entirely. So as you can see, you got the straight pipe there. And we put a 3-inch straight pipe system on the valve channel, and that's what we're doing. As you can see, Hamza, if you can use your quality camera skills and look inside there, what do you see? You see a blockage. You see the valve is permanently closed. Now, fun fact for you guys, the valve system on an 812 Superfast are meant to be permanently open, so they are open valves. Now, I am the all-knowing, but of course my main man Dan over here that you can see holding the top-notch torch in his hand. Right, so as you can see, if you want to proceed over here with me, this side is complete. So we have put a 3-inch pipe to replace the actual valve mechanism. And now Dan is in the process of removing, quite nicely, the passenger side back box. Now, this is the valve system that is deteriorated, completely, you know, completely gone.
It's non-functional.
Non-functional, mate, not connected. Now, what we're going to do essentially is chop, chop, replace. We're in the process now, and one side's complete, the other side yet to do. Going on in there, that valve is seized closed. Am I right, Dan?
You are correct.
The valve is seized closed. And what does that in turn cause, Dan?
Build up of compression, man. The car's not flowing the way it's supposed to flow.
Well, this shaft has clearly tried to do its job.
Yeah.
And it's tried to open the valve, but because it's seized, it's put a lot of pressure on the actual shaft itself.
It's actually snapped.
And it's snapped clean off. So there you go. There's our specific in-depth diagnosis of why we are carrying out this work today for Ferrari Birmingham. Ladies and gentlemen, we have deleted the valves upon the request of Ferrari Birmingham from this 812 Superfast. It's going to sound absolutely crazy all the time, but let's have a listen to what it sounds like. Because the valves on this vehicle originally they're vacuum operated, which means that in relation to the exhaust gases, in relation to the vacuum that the exhaust gases can draw through the exhaust channel, they'll open and close the valve. So the car will sound loud like this all the time anyway. Now the car increases in sound as you increase the RPM of the vehicle. So I don't know what's going to happen, but let's have a listen to what it sounds like. Gangster that is, mate. Beautiful.